Ducati give you wings, and Ride On gives you carbon fibre wrapped wings. What do you think? Does it look cool? Or is it a touch too far? It probably ought to be standard at this price, but they're not, and I don't want to spend $1,000 or whatever ridiculous amount on them, so I just wrapped them for about 25 bucks, and I think the effect's pretty good. Certainly from a couple of feet away, that's pretty cool, I think. Yes indeed, she's looking pretty sweet. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is it an improvement or not?